Lanjut.
Udah video biasa kan? 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone, welcome to our debate podcast. I'm Gevara, your host today. We have a hot topic to discuss. Is digital note-taking better than writing by hand for high school students? Let me introduce our teams. On the pro side, they believe digital note-taking is the way to go. We have Aurora and Tika.
Hi everyone, I'm Aurora. I'm a high school student just like you. And honestly, I can imagine going back to paper notes after using digital tools. It changed the way I study completely.
And I'm Achita. We are so ready to prove that going digital is the smarter choice. I've been using apps like Notion, Google Docs, and like any other apps for about 2 years now. And trust me, once you try it, there's no going back actually.
Okay, thank you for the introduction. On the con side, they support writing by hand. We have Aulia and Naila.
Hello, I'm Aulia, and I still use a notebook every single day. And I truly believe there's nothing better than putting pen to paper when it comes to learning.
And I'm Naila. We are here to show that the pen is still the best tool for learning. Some things are classic for a reason, and handwriting is definitely one of them. We are excited to show you why today.
Okay, great. Let's get started. Today, we are going to discuss the controversy of digital note-taking versus handwriting, which has sparked debate among teachers, students, and researchers. Let's hear the pro side first.
Okay, first of all, digital note-taking is way more organized. With apps like Google Docs or Notion or anything else, you can search for any words in seconds. No more flipping through the 10 page just to find one note. You can also organize everything into a folder by subject, like history here, math here, all neat and easy to find whenever you need them.
And furthermore, you can't lose digital notes. Like if your notebook falls in the rain or get lost, that's it. Everything is gone. But digital notes, they're safe in the cloud, like always safe and always there. And not only are they safe, they're accessible from anywhere. Whether you're at home, you're at school, or even on the bus, your notes are always just one step away.
Moreover, typing is faster. In class, teacher sometimes speak really fast. With a laptop or a tablet, you can keep up and write more information.
In addition, going digital is also better for the environment. Fewer notebooks means less paper waste. It's a small change, but it helps the planet. So, going digital isn't just for smart students. It's also a responsible choice for our future.
Okay, thank you, Aurora and Chika. However, not everyone agrees that digital is the best way. Aulia and Naila, what do you think?
So, on the other hand, studies shows that when you write by hand, your brain actually works harder. You can't write everything, so you have to think and choose what's important. That helps you remember better. When you summarize in your own words while writing, your brain processes the information more deeply. That's why students who take handwritten notes tend to score better on understanding-based questions.
Yeah, in contrast, when you type, it's easy to just copy everything word by word without even thinking. You end up with a lot of notes, but you remember very little. It's like recording a lecture without actually listening to it. The information goes straight from the teacher's mouth to your screen, but you never really enters your brain.
However, the biggest problem with digital devices in class is distraction. 1 minute you're taking notes, the next you're watching videos or scrolling social media.
Nevertheless, handwriting keeps you focused. There's no notification popping up. Just you, your pen, and your paper. Simple and effective. And there's something personal about handwritten notes too. You can underline, doodle, draw arrows. It makes the notes feel more like yours. And that connection actually helps you remember.
Okay, thank you. Here's a question for both teams. If a student is disciplined and focused, does the tool even matter? Or is one method always better, no matter what?
Okay, of course, discipline matters, but digital tools give you extra advantage, like searching notes fast and accessing them anywhere. A focused student with digital tools can do even more.
But that's the point. Handwriting builds that focus naturally. Writing by hand slows you down, and that slowness is actually what makes your brain absorb the information better.
But still though, in today's world, knowing how to use digital tools is a skill you need. Students should learn to use technology wisely, not avoid it. And most jobs in the future will require digital skills, so why not start practicing now, even in something so simple as taking notes.
We agree that technology is important, but for note-taking class, the pen and paper is still the most effective way to actually learn. You can always learn digital skills separately, but building strong study habits that starts with how you take notes in class every single day.
Okay, wow. Both sides made really good points today. Let me summarize. The pro team showed us that digital notes are organized, fast, and always accessible. The con team reminded us that handwriting helps us remember better and keeps us focused. Maybe the best answer is a balance. Write by hand during class to really absorb the lesson, then organize your notes digitally later for review. A big thank you to Aurora, Atika, Alia, and Naila for this great debate. And thank you all for listening. And remember, the best way to take notes is the one that helps you learn. See you next time.
Bye bye!